the recording for Traits and Reproduction 1.3, and so the homepage has everything you need on it, as always, so you can go there. Today we are focusing on that spider silk, and it's pretty cool because there's actually a lot of different uses for the silk, and obviously each use has different traits that are desirable for that use. And so we're going to kind of go through those today. We're going to do a little jigsaw activity. If you're watching this recording and you miss class, then you will not be doing the jigsaw activity. You're going to just be reading it all on your own. And I'll explain that. But open the assignment. And you'll see there is a warm-up. The video that the warm-up references is kind of the part 2 to the spider silk research. So we have that scientist who studies the silk. And so in the slides down here, there is that video. Oops. And I will play it. Hopefully the sound picks it up a little bit better. If not, this is in the slides for you to watch if you don't hear it as well.
And how about the spider? Did she eat yesterday? So much is unknown about spiders and spider silk. For most of the questions, you actually have to go outside, get spiders, bring them back into the lab, and do research on them. This is a Western background. We're going to be focusing today. Let's start by first
All right, so on the assignment, I wanted you to put 3 either observations or questions that you had about that video. And then this was the activity. So each of these, there are 5. Yeah. So there is supersized webs, silk for living underwater, spitting at prey, gliding through the air, and then different functions. This one is kind of like the intro. And what we did in class was we each did one and then we shared out. That way you read one and became kind of the expert on one and shared out the information. If you miss class, then either you're going to have to do all 5 on your own, or if you know someone in class, maybe they can share what we did with you. But either way, there's some cool things, and these are all hyperlinked. And so when you click on it, it will bring you to that article. So that is the assignment. And then what you're going to notice, if it ever wants to load, is that below there is a hands-on activity. And when you click on this hands-on activity, it is an Edpuzzle video. It's about 5 minutes long. It's not very long. And what we usually do in person when we do trades and reproduction is we use Connects, which is that like toy that has like the sticks and like different little circular, it's hard to explain, but you'll see them in this demonstration. And so obviously we can't get you all your own set of Connects and do this virtually. So Mr. Livinggood did a video demonstration and asked a couple questions as he went through. So this is helpful. So you want to make sure you also do that one. As always, the notebook slide for this lesson is under here, and these definitions will be found in here. So if you go through to the next, you'll see protein molecule, and that is the large molecule that performs important functions. So obviously each function you have, so eye color, hair color, all those things, each of those has different protein molecules. And that's just a picture of one. Structure is the way something is shaped or constructed, and then function, how something works. So you want to make sure all of those are in your notebook, and these slides are in there for you to use to do that.